Hi, I'm Karen for ExpertVillage. While the meat and the onions are browning, we're going to peel our potatoes and rinse our barley. We're just going to peel these potatoes. You might want to put down a bag or something to collect the peels to make cleanup a little more easier. And you can either use a paring knife or a potato peeler to peel those potatoes. And we're going to keep them, if you have a small potato, you can keep it whole. And a larger potato, you might cut in half. But keep the potatoes in a fairly large chunk, like a serving size. Now we're going to rinse our barley. Just get a container of water, it doesn't have to be a measuring cup, and fill it with water and put your barley into that cup, into the water, and just stir it around. This will help remove some of the starch, and sometimes you get little pieces and things that you don't want. So we'll rinse that, and then you just pour the water off into the sink.